Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned.
Hey, what's up, y'all? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J, the host here at Kicks and Beats, the channel. If you're new, please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. Because today we got the Yeezy 3... Oh no, we already took care of that. Today we got the Yeezy 500 Shale Warm, I believe. Yeah, that's what we got over here. These came out back in February 8th, so this is pretty much an old one. Came out already. But it's better to review it now than never, you know? And same day that these dropped, we had another colorway that dropped. I believe it was called the Mist Slate Mist, something like that. I don't know, I wasn't really feeling that one. That one kind of had like a gray look to it, along with like some sort of olive, but it was like a special type of olive. Like it's not the type that we're used to seeing in stores. It's just, you know, Ye and, you know, the brand, they always come up with their own colorways. So yeah, this is the one I was really feeling over here. So we're gonna take a look at this one real quick. To me, in the photos, it looked like it had some sort of beige to it. You know, beige to the look, along with some sort of gray around the mudguard area, and then like some sort of like navy blue for the bottom or something like that. I don't know, but we're gonna take a look today. I took these in 10.5, true to size. That's actually a mistake when it comes to this. When it comes to Yeezy 500s, you're actually gonna want to go half a size up. So when you get yourself a pair of Yeezy 500s, make sure you go half a size up. Now, without further ado, we're gonna check the shoe out. Thank you, Goat. I don't know why, but this thing, it took about like a week and a half to get here after paying instant ship. I don't know what was so instant about that, to be honest. But yeah, let's take a look, man. I'm starting to feel a little sorry for Go, to be honest. They keep screwing up. You know what's gonna happen soon. As soon as all these early pairs start arriving via eBay, everyone's just gonna start messing with eBay instead, unless you guys do something about this. Because I know with eBay, I've never had any issues with them, you know, at least yet. Alright, so let's check out the label, guys. This is it right here. Show 'em. Yeah. Alright, let's take a look. Go verified. Yay. Man. It's not what I expected. I thought the beige would have popped a lot more. I feel like the mock-up photos look a little better to me, but these still look pretty damn cool. It's probably just gonna take time for me to adjust. It's just this color here, man. It looks a little dirty to me. I wish it would have looked a lot more bright. I like this area here, like the neoprene, the colorway over here. The neoprene area is real nice. I like that, but the suede area, I don't know, man. He could have made it a bit brighter, or made it like match, you know, to be exact with the neoprene area. That would have been perfect. But anyways, y'all, for y'all that don't know the Yeezy 500, whether it's low and high, it comes with 3M. It features 3M along the lining area here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. They started introducing us to bungee cord style lacing system when it comes to this silhouette as of recently, but when it comes to this pair right here, it looks like they went back with their old ways. They gave us the regular style laces. No complaints with that. This is the type of shoe that you would want to wear wintertime, guys. I definitely don't recommend wearing this shoe in the summer, because when it comes to this neoprene and all this other material they have in here, your feet's going to be warm as hell, especially in the summertime. So yeah, definitely a winter shoe right here. Check out the inside. I can get it out. Alright. Cool, that's cool. Let's put this on feet. Show you that up close and personal look. Let's get to it.
Alright, y'all, so it's time to wrap the video up. I know this was another short one, but hey, that's how it goes here sometimes. Just to let you guys know, after trying on this shoe, even though I went true to size, it actually isn't that terrible like I expected it to be. It's just really snug. I'm not into that snug fit. I'm more into that like loose tight fit. So if you're into snug, I guess you can go true to size with these, but it's just not my cup of tea, you know. But I will be keeping these because, you know, after taking a second look at them, I guess they're not as bad as I thought when I first unboxed them. Like, they don't really look as dirty as I said previously, but still, they could have been a lot lighter. I believe it would have been a better idea regarding the brand if they would have done so. But yeah, these are pretty nice, man. If y'all don't know a pair of 500s, definitely cop yourself a pair, add it to the collection. They do feature boots, just like some of the other models do in Yeezy brand. Boots is a real comfortable material. You're gonna want that in your shoes if you haven't experienced it yet. So get yourself a pair if you don't have one yet. It's your boy Broadway J. Stay tuned for another one because we have another review coming within the next 2 weeks, I believe. I'm not going to say what it is, but we got more coming. You already know what time it is. Subscribe if you haven't. Click like. You already know what it is. Your boy Broadway J, and we out. Peace.